In this video we are going to share with you the 7 internet marketing myths that you should not believe. Please subscribe and remember to click the bell icon to stop missing out on important updates. Myth number 1, more content, more traffic. False. Content creation is a requirement for success, but quality outweighs quantity. Speaking in an expert voice is a better draw than words for words' sake. The inbound framework consists of web design, SEO, contextual keywords of value, social media, email marketing, and building trust with an audience. Myth number 2, thinking the inbound traffic framework is merely a fad. False. Internet fads do exist. However, many people do not like change in marketing and believe inbound strategies will fade away like most internet trends. Business coaching and mentoring are available for people who find the changes startling. Myth number 3, return of investment, or ROI, cannot be deciphered using the inbound traffic strategy. False. The myth about ROIs has existed since the beginning of inbound internet marketing. Automated marketing platforms began its existence so that businesses could track the ROI easier than ever. Myth number 4, digital media costs too much and get nothing in return. False. The particular myth is entirely backward. Digital marketing creates revenue, not the other way around. Online digital content has no expiration date. Eyes over a never-ending expanse of time mean more for the buck in the long run. Myth number 5, having only a website is enough. It does not have to be cell phone accessible. False and false. People are not going to visit a website randomly. Thousands of companies are competing with each other at any given moment, regardless of industry. And without a mobile accessible site, the chances of inbound traffic is even lower. Myth number 6, word of mouth is magic and will do all the work. False. Entire industries continue to only use word of mouth. The old school approach is a habit hard to break because there was a time when it was all a business had to gain new patrons. The method integration into a marketing strategy framework is available, but no one should rely on referrals and word of mouth even if it were the most gainful means. Facebook advertising is proof that word of mouth and social media methods go hand in hand. Myth number 7, in the About section of the website, a simple paragraph and photograph are fine. False. The approach hurts SEO. The simplicity of the approach does not draw search engine attention through Google or any other search engine. Conclusion: quality content is indispensable. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment if you like our videos. Don't forget to grab our extra free bonuses in the description. Your engagement means a lot to us and give us motivation to create more quality videos for you.